I didn't know. You have to be real careful with these old shingles. You can take anything apart just about. Just going further enough out so we can tuck our stuff up underneath here so we can have something. All right, here we go, people.
And why are you tearing those out?
Because it's leaking. You can see where it's. When you have this many layers of stuff, usually there's the problem right there.
Where's the problem?
You see how the water's going? It's going underneath it. And I bet you'll find a hole here somewhere. There's a nail that water can be going into. All this wet stuff is not good. Looks like the problem is right here. It looks like it is at the end of this ice and water. You can see where somebody has really. Let's see here. Now we'll try to take it up a little bit easier instead of tearing everything up. See where bugs are living right there? Usually when there's bugs, they're getting in your house. Right there's the issue.
What we got going on?
What we have going on here is water's coming in here and it's going right down in there. You see the bugs? That's how they get into the roof. What it's doing, it's going underneath this gutter topper too and go underneath there.
So what's the plan?
So what we're going to do is finish tearing this off, and we're going to go up underneath here with ice and water it all the way up, and then we will be done. This is probably going to be a pretty quick repair, but like I said, we just want to make sure that it's done right. Okay, and you see where there's rusty nails, it's usually there's an issue there where there's rusty nails. Trying to get down to the, see if there's anything else that might have a hole in it.
Is this a common mistake made when you add a roof?
It is, it is. And right there is your problem. You pin right there. You see that crack? And it's getting under right here too. Had a nail hole going into it. So you peel that back, and it's just felt paper too. It's real thin.
And that's why you use synthetic?
Yeah. But yeah, see that? See that hole? Come on, scroll back over here. Can you see it? Down in there. That's where the water was getting. See, that's somebody's house. I'm reaching in their house right there.
How are you gonna fix that?
We're going to probably put a piece of metal over it, or a piece of ice and water, double it, and then there's only so much you can do because it's already built. So with this, you just want to finish cleaning out your valley to where you want it to stop.
This is why it's so important that people keep their flat roofs clear of debris and leaves and stuff.
Yeah, because leaves and stuff like that will get it like that every time. Let's see here.
You have to go all the way back to the dip, where the dip starts.
Yes. Can you pause it for a second?